Faulkner, and I'm the co-founder of Thrive State Inc. And what I do there is primarily help small, medium-sized business owners with employee engagement diagnostics, and then help support the management with really practical tools and strategies to make it better and have thriving workplace cultures. The people, I mean, that's why I'm here, that's why I've stayed being a member. Everyone is just so generous with their knowledge and their ideas and willing to collaborate together on things. And I think there's such a shared feeling of knowing that we're better together, we can have more impact together. If you see me at the Sandbox Center, I love to nerd out on anything related to like psychology and personality theory, and interpersonal issues, conflicts. I actually love talking about that kind of stuff. And on a personal note, I have so many hobbies. Like I'm a hobby beekeeper, mountain biking, paddleboarding, lots of outdoor activities. So really, I just want you to talk to me. If you see me, I'd love to talk to anyone.